turned up in large numbers on the 8th of this month to exercise this constitutional provision in unprecedented manner, which was very orderly and peaceful. It is with this background information in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that professionals from Meru and Tharaka-Nithi counties wish to congratulate our President, Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, for being elected for a further period of 5 years as the President of this great nation.
All right, so Kenyans went to the polls on the 8th of August, but there are also very critical dates that are expected in the coming days with regard to this election and how the country moves forward after this particular election.